Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about Adidas. We're going to be talking about Adidas today because I recently bought a pair of Adidas shoes that I thought looked really cool. I actually got them from StockX. I'm gonna pull the veil back a little bit here and say that I have already opened the box, removed the little thing on here, but we're going to be talking about these shoes today. Let me show you guys the packaging and what they are. They are the Adidas Form 84 Bape low. So they're in a size 10, they're in my size, and the box is actually pretty heavy. And let me show you guys a little bit of how it looks like. You can see my camera there in the reflection, but I thought the box looks pretty cool. Let me show you guys the side. Yeah, overall pretty cool. So today we're going to be talking about that. I'll be showing you guys the shoes. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Josh. I usually do men's fashion videos. If you like that type of content, consider subscribing. It does really help out the channel. So we're going to jump in right away here. I have already opened this box like I mentioned. The box looks pretty cool. It is pretty heavy. You can see it right here. It says Adidas, a bathing ape, and you can see the different type of camo that they have here. So let me show you guys what comes in here. Let me open this box. So I noticed right at the top, let me just show you this. It's the 30th here. So that's why they did this in collaboration with Adidas. The packaging is really nice. It comes with a shoe bag. So let me show you guys the shoe bag really quick. So if you could see that here, let me flip it to the other side here. It comes with a shoe bag. It looks pretty cool. You already know what type of shoe it's going to be with all of this camo. And it comes with these two things right here. Let me open this up because I haven't actually opened this up, but I'm pretty sure they're shoelaces. So let me show you guys this. And let me open it up. Yeah, they are like the camo shoelaces right here. Let me see if I can get a good image for you guys. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Let me show you guys the other one that's right here. So it came with two, and this is just like the regular one right here. So okay, so we have that. I wanted to also show the paper here, because the paper is also like the camo kind of design that they have. You could see that it's here as well. And let me show you guys, after that, it is the Adidas wrapping there. You can see part of the shoe right here. I'll take it out for you guys. So let me go through and take this shoe out and showcase that. So this is the wrapping. You can see that it has the Adidas right here in like a neon yellow. And let me show you guys the shoe. So here is the shoe right here. I thought it looked pretty nice. This was still on sale on the Adidas websites, just not in my size. So that's why I got it from StockX. It was on sale. It still had a bunch of sizes. I'm not sure about it right now, but they still had like 9.5, they had 9, they had 8, they had 11, they had a bunch of sizes. I'm not too sure now because they did put it on sale, probably because it wasn't really selling that well. People didn't really like, from the reviews that I was reading, some people liked it, other people didn't. Some people said that it could have been better. Let me throw a little bit of the packaging on the floor, ignore that. Yeah, but it looks pretty cool. You can see that it has the 30th right here in this right in the front. And there is, I'm pretty sure you could take this off because you could just probably undo the shoelaces and just like slide it off. It does say Adidas on this shoe right here. You could go through, do that like a little kid. But I think these shoes are gonna look cool. I haven't put it on my feet yet. I'll be showing some footage of how it looks like on feet. But overall, I really like the color. I really like the design of it. And I thought in general, it looks really cool. Let me show you guys a little bit of the inside as well. You can see that the tongue here as well says 30th. and then it's like the print on the inside with Adidas as well. So that is the left shoe, and a little bit different on the right shoe. Let me pull it out here for you guys. This is how it looks. Like I mentioned, this one says Adidas, but this other one says A Bathing Ape with the R on it for its registered trademark. So let me show you guys right there. Here's the little like metal thing right in the front. And let me see if I could get a good shot of the front. And yeah, it looks really nice. This is gonna be a really nice shoe. And let me show you here as well. It says Adidas. One of the cool things too is that I don't know the last time I bought an Adidas shoe, but you have like the Adidas logos all over here. It says Adidas on the bottom. And overall, it's a really nice looking shoe. Is this gonna sell well? Am I gonna resell it? No, because I already took the tag off. That's all good. I'm gonna wear these. I got previously the other shoes that I got in blue. I've made a video about that I've gotten also a lot of compliments about was the Nike Sacai Cause shoes, and I think these ones look like honestly pretty good. I feel like these will probably get a good amount of compliments too for just how unique they look. You can see the Bathing Ape right there, and on the other shoe it has the Adidas too. So overall, pretty cool. I like the colorway. I like the uniqueness of it. And yeah, it comes with the shoe bag. It comes with different shoelaces and stuff like that. And overall, yeah, pretty good shoe. Nothing too much to say. Like I mentioned, it was on sale on the Adidas website, and also it was like below retail on StockX. So I know a lot of people don't really like StockX or selling fakes and stuff like that, but I'm 100% sure that these shoes aren't fakes if they're still selling it on the Adidas website. But yeah, I would want to know your guys' thoughts to this. If you guys heard about this collaboration, if you guys liked it. They have two colorways. They have the regular camo colorway, and they have this blue color camo colorway. And yeah, I would just want to know from you guys what your guys' thoughts are. You can see it's pretty funny right there. And then like this is a different piece. Yeah, I would just want to know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. But let me give you guys one more good shot of it. Yeah, looks really good. Yeah, and with that, till next time.